Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you along with me as I DIY most of my Christmas gifts this year. So right now with the job I have, I'm mostly living out of hotel rooms for the foreseeable future at this point. So it's really hard to make Christmas gifts while I'm traveling, but I really love DIYing Christmas gifts, so this year we're going for cute and easy and simple, but still handmade with lots of love. So what I'm thinking for a lot of my Christmas gifts are to do little cute crochet things like ornaments or coasters or just like easy crochet items that I can make on the road and also travel with me when I go back home for a few days for Christmas. I did go on a yarn haul and get lots of yarn, so let's just get right into it. Okay, so for the first project, I got this really soft yarn from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna be trying to make this pattern from this YouTube video. I already kind of started. I definitely messed it up a little, but we have the first layer of the Christmas tree here, and so there'll be 3 more layers on top, and then the little base and the cute little yellow star for the top. I already started making this one without you guys, but I will take you along for the rest of the process of making this Christmas tree, but this is the one we're starting with first. Let's play a game. Do we think this is going to be enough to finish the row of frills at the bottom? We'll find out. I think so. We made it. Barely. Okay, here is the completed Christmas tree. I just have to assemble it, stuff it, and add the star. So, on to the next. Okay, so I have to tuck in the ends and stuff, obviously, but it turned out a little smaller than I was hoping, so I might try to make it a little bit bigger. But if I don't end up using this one, I might turn it into an ornament for somebody else as a gift. But it turned out super cute. It's just a little bit smaller than I would like for a coaster. Okay, so a little update on all the Christmas gifts. I finished kind of some of them. So not really. But I finished the Christmas tree, more or less. I have to kind of like assemble it, but more or less. Also, the star, there's like 2 of them and they go on the top like this. Ignore the really long strings, but you're supposed to like sew them up and like stuff them a little, which I think I'm just gonna stuff it with this extra string and sew it up with that extra string. But she's more or less done. I mostly just need to like assemble, tuck in the ends, whatever. So that's one gift done. Then I finally finished, again more or less, the paw print coasters that I was making. So this is how they turned out. I just need to weave in all the ends. I am not in the mood, so I'm just going to do it all at once, I guess. But I made 5 of them, so it's a whole set of paw print coasters. And now I'm on to the next gift, which I changed my mind a little and was back and forth, but I decided I'm making beanies for both my parents. I actually got really far because I kind of forgot about videoing, but this is where we're at. It looks like a rug, but it's a beanie because it's gonna go like this part's gonna fold up like this, and then it's like the hat this way. It's looking kind of rough currently, but I promise it's gonna be a cute hat. Well, hopefully, because I never made a hat before, so we're gonna find out together. but I do think I'm gonna run out of yarn, which is not ideal. So I'm hoping it turns out cute. I'm almost there, over halfway around my head, but I severely underestimated the amount of yarn I would need because I realized I have a big head. And this is all I have left. So I'm gonna have to go buy more yarn, which I don't know how or when I'm getting to the store, but I'll keep you updated on that. And then I'm making the same thing. If this goes well, I'm gonna try to use the same pattern and make one in black. So it's like the same speckled kind of yarn, but in black. That's the little update on where we are at with all the Christmas gifts so far. Making good progress, but it's like a week till I go home and like a week and a half until Christmas, so I gotta get moving. Okay, so I just ran out of yarn and was so close. If I put it around this way, I just had that much farther to go. That's really it. That's the update, is I ran out of yarn and I need to go get more. But it's okay. So I'm just gonna start the other one and I'll try to get more yarn. I just started. I'm hoping that this one, I will make it. I have the same amount of yarn that I had for this, but this one is going to be smaller. So I'm hoping that I won't run out of yarn, but we'll see, we'll see. Okay, so I finally made it home and I'm finishing up the last couple gifts at home a few days before Christmas. It's really a time crunch right now. As you can see in this video, I am currently stuffing one of my gifts with some extra scrap yarn that I have. I have this little jar here and I'm using it as stuffing because, you know, we're trying to be no waste around here, use up all our scraps. But anyways, what I'm making right now is some little Mickey and Minnie matching crochet ornaments. So that's what you see me stuffing right now, is one of the heads of either Mickey or Minnie. And then I'm so close to being done with all of the gifts. We're almost there, you guys. Finishing up the hats at home with my little helper. Okay, I'm making the last gift. It's gonna be one of those little easy twist headbands. So almost done, super fast and easy. And then I finally finished all of my easy crochet Christmas gifts. Okay, I think that's as thick as I'm gonna go. Honestly, it could have maybe went one less. Oh, well no. Now I just have to like sew the ends together in the twist. And we're finished.